meeting. So yesterday we discussed this concept that is overloading. Why? Sir, everything, whenever you are writing any function, every time you are writing void. Why you are writing void? That is your question. Sir, whenever you are writing any function, you are writing void. Why you are writing void? That's your question. My answer is void means I don't want any written value. I don't want any written value. That's the reason I am writing void. If you want written value, in the place of void, you should write the data type. Once if you write the data type, we can get the written value. That is my explanation. What is void means I don't want any written value. That's the reason we are writing void. If you want a written value, in the place of void, we should write the data type. Once if you write the data type, it will give the written value. That written value we need to store into one variable and we need to print it. That is the concept of void concept. So, like today concept, in the place of void, I am writing data type. Same. So, yesterday we discussed one concept that is overloading. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments, number of arguments, if we write, then that concept is called overloading concept. Yesterday we discussed same function I wrote 3 times. First and second is example for number of argument example. First and third is example for type of argument example. So I don't want to write void. Why? Because I need written value. So in the place, if you want written value, in the place of void, we should write the data type. So I wrote data type. Just we should mention return, right? It will give the return value. In the place of void, I'm writing data type into, it will give return value, a return. In the place of void, I'm writing data type into, it will give return value, a return, right? No, double. We should write double. double, double. It will give the return value. So we need to store into one variable into x equal to into y equal to double, double z equal to SYSO control space X SYSO control space Y SYSO control space Z. So same answer we can get it 30, 60, 0.5. I think same answer we are getting, but concept is we are not writing void, just we are writing data type. So if you write data type, it will give the written value. That written value we need to store into one variable and we can print it. That is the concept, void concept. Same concept, overloading concept only, but we are not writing void, just we are writing data type. Once if you write the data type, it will give the written value. That written value we need to store into one variable and we can print it. Okay, that is the concept, void concept. Oh, today next concept, object class. Only definition, object class. Today next concept, object class. Today next concept name is object class. What is object class? It is a predefined class in Java. Comma, it is a superclass for every class we create in Java. Whenever you are taking Whenever you are taking new object, it will store the static information as well as non-static information also. That is the object class. Object class is nothing but it is a predefined class in Java. It is a super class for every class we create in Java. Whenever you are taking new object, it will store the static information as well as non-static information also. That is object class. So how Java will identify which one is static, which one is non-static? Using object class only it will identify. If it is static, whenever you are writing any function, if you write before that function, if you write static, it will treat as a static. If you are not writing anything, it will treat as a non-static. That is the definition. Next, string class. It should be cap string class. What is string class? It is also predefined class in Java. String class having some predefined functions. Whenever using these functions, automatically, whenever using these functions, we can perform different operations. We can perform different operations only on strings. Different. Using these functions, we can perform different operations only on strings. Operations only on strings. So, string class functions. One is equals. We can compare the two strings. If it is both are same, we can say it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Equals. Next, length. We can find out the length of the string. Substring. We can find out the part of the string. And index of. We can find the particular character position in the string. Next, replace. In the place of one character, we can replace another character. Replace all. In the place of one string, we can keep the another string, or in the place of one word, we can keep another word. Replace all. Upper to lower. Upper to lower. We can change to upper to lower. And lower to upper. We can change to lower to upper. Upper class means small letters to big letters to small letters. And split. We can split the string using space or comma or dot, whatever it is. So we can split the string using a split function. These are the string class functions. So today we will discuss only string class functions. Equals, length, substring, index of, replace all, upper to lower to upper, split. Okay. Today we will discuss string class. Okay. Right. Tell me any beautiful string. Life is beautiful. Will you agree? Take one new class. Class name is STR. Life is beautiful. I'm saying, but not hurtfully, but String. I am taking one string. String S equal to life is beautiful. Is it right? Life is beautiful. Is it right or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir?
Hmm.
No. My opinion. That's my opinion. Life is beautiful.
లాస్ట్లో సెమికోలన్ ఎందుకు అవి కూడా రాయాలా?
Compulsory.
మీరు అలాంటివన్నీ చెప్పండి నాకు. అసలు నాకేంటో ఇదంతా ఇప్పుడు ఓకే. లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్. ఐ డోంట్ ఫైండ్ టైం. మేబీ టుడే ఐ హ్యావ్ సమ్ టైం. ఐ వుడ్ సే
Life is beautiful.
మీరు ఎందుకు క్యాపిటల్ రాశారు?
So I have taken three strings. So I want to do different operations only on strings now. SYSO control space S dot length. Sorry. S dot equals S dot S equals S dot equals S1. Both are same or not? Tell me. S and S1 both are equals or not?
Yeah, is equal.
No. No. S and S1 is both are not equals. Why it is not equal to both? Reference name give leave it. S to S1 no. So that is leave it. So S and S1 string life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. So both are not same. I am saying. Is it right or not? S and S1 are both are not equals. Is it right or not? Why?
Looks like
Both are same or not?
సేమ్.
No. Concentrate. Please observe
ఎక్స్ట్రా స్పేస్
carefully. So here I gave double space. Observe. So here I gave double space. Here I gave single space. That is the difference. Both are not equals. That means Java is case sensitive as well as it will concentrate on space also. That is the point. Okay. Both are not equals. So in the say S1 I gave double space and S I gave single space. That is the difference. SYSO control space. S dot length. What is the length of the string? Tell me. What is the length of the string? Count it. Characters.
15,
15.
No.
17,
Right.
18, 19.
17 is right. Why? Because so even space also we need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Answer is 17. Right. S1 dot length. What is the S1 dot length?
18.
Yes. S1 dot length 18. Right. Next, substring, part of the string. Substring means part of the string. If you want to get the substring, part of the string, we can use substring function. So SYSO control space H dot substring 4 comma 12. What is the answer? After 4, 12 also. In between characters I need now. 4 comma 12. After 4, 12 also. After 4, 12 also. What is the answer?
E
Huh?
and I.
Uh,
E I.
uh, uh.
Yes.
Answer is view. 1,
Hmm.
2, 3, 4. After 4. Ante just means space 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is view. Answer is view. Answer is space is view. Save. Click on that. Answer is space is view. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next, index. Index start with 0. Next concept, index. Index start with 0. So if it is word or single character, it will be 0. First of all, if it is string or string means if it is word or single character, it will be 0. If it is located in the first place, it will be 0. If it is string or character, it will be 0. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
S Y S O control space. Now you can get it. What is what? H dot index of L. What is the answer?
That is not a word, right?
What is the answer?
Not
1.
0.
Hmm?
Mm.
L. What is the answer?
1.
It will be 0. Already I told
0.
you now. If it is
Okay.
character or word, it will be 0.
Yeah, sorry.
Mm.
Li. What is the answer?
0.
0 only. LIF. What is the answer?
0.
0. LIFE. What is the answer?
0.
Hmm?
0.
0.
Okay. Is. What is the answer?
1.
No.
0.
No.
2.
Count the characters. Index start with
Mm.
0.
3. Mm. Index
Index start with 0. What is the answer?
3.
5.
Mm.
Why? Because start with 0. L 0. 1, 2, 3, space 4 is 5.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Life is. What is the answer?
6.
6.
Hmm?
7. 7.
0. 0.
Word అంటారా whole cat.
Life is beautiful. What is the answer? Life
0.
is. Hmm?
0.
0 only. Right. I. What is the answer?
1.
1. E. What is the answer?
3.
3. B. What is the answer?
Eight.
Yes. B. 8. Answer is 8. Something I'm writing X, XZ or X. What is the answer? -1. If it is not there, it will give -1. If it is not there, it will give -1. It will give
Okay.
-1.
-2.
Life double space is. What is the answer?
0.
8.
Yeah.
Sorry, 7.
-1. Double
Minus
space is not there in string.
minus
Yeah.
1 only. Why? Because life double space is not available in S. So it will give -1. If it is not there, it will give -1. Blindly you should remember. Okay. If it is string or
Okay.
character, it will treat as a 0. Index start with 0. Index start with 0. That is the concept. Okay. Clear? Index? Any doubt? Ask me now.
Mhm.
Next. Upper remaining all are easy. S, Y, S, O, control space, S dot to uppercase. It will convert to uppercase. S, Y, S, O, control space, S2 dot to lowercase. It will convert to lowercase. S, Y, S, O, control space, S dot replace. In the place of old character L, I am keeping new character W. What is the answer?
Wife is beautiful.
But wife is beautiful. In the place of L, I am writing W. So wife is beautiful. Wife is beautiful. S Y S O control space. In the place of is S dot replace all. In the place of old string, I am keeping new string. In the place of is, I am keeping very. What is the answer?
Life very beautiful.
Life very beautiful. Okay. Next concept, split. Very concentrate. String, take string, one string, data, string data. This is some difficult. S dot split based on index, based on space. So I'm giving space in between. Based on space, split it for where exactly we will use for loop. I will explain you later. Just wait. Into I equal to 0, I less than data dot length I plus plus. Where exactly you use for loop, I will tell you later. S Y S O control space data dot I. Save, click on that. Split. Life is beautiful. So based on space it will split. Life space is beautiful. So it will split as a 3 words. So where exactly we will use for loop next class. So for example, there is no, for example, I am giving double space. After life, I am giving double space. So then here also I am giving double space. Save, click on run. It will run. Life is beautiful. Life space is beautiful. Based on space, it will split. Based on space, it will split. So that is the split function.